how to delete Telegram account. Hi everybody, in this video I will tell you how you guys can delete your Telegram account. So it's very easy. You just have to open up Safari or Google Chrome, and then after that just simply type in the search bar delete Telegram account. And then after that, once you guys type in Telegram account, you just have to wait for a few seconds, and then you guys are going to see my.telegram.org. Click on that, and then after that just simply wait for a few seconds, and it's going to open up this particular page. Now from over here you have to put in your phone number. So I will simply put in my phone number over here, and then after that it's going to basically send you a confirmation code. Once you guys click on sign in, after that you guys are going to be taken over to another page, and from over there is going to be a prompt which is going to ask you, do you really want to delete your account? Just simply press OK on that, and your Telegram account is going to be deleted. So guys, that is how you guys can basically delete your Telegram account. It's very easy, and it doesn't take much time. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.